Introducing Craft Your Life Project Kit Arched Foliage Outline Stamp Set. Lots of great sentiments this month with our outline image. We'll have a look at the layering guide. You can see there are two full-size card examples there. I'll fold them back in just a second. There you go. You can see the two full-size card examples. On the back, you can see the colors used and products used to create the images shown. You can see the inks used to create the image shown in the center, as well as the inks shown in the stencil openings. This month, there's time to color and products for perfect pairing with the set. So we'll fold up our tri-fold layering guide that's included in there. And that's included in all of our sets. And here we have the Arched Foliage stencil set, the 3-piece stencil set. And that's a simple coloring stencil. We also have the die set, which is going to cut that outline image and the 4 bolded words. Take a look at those on the back there. And finally, we're going to have this beautiful 3D embossing folder. So much texture in this month's folder. As always, they are so gorgeous. So here's a look at the folder embossed on some cardstock. So much dimension and texture. Feels like you can feel that wall right there through the screen. So beautiful. So that is the project kit for this month. We have our image in place, and I've put down stencil 1 and I'm holding it in place with some satin masking tape, and I am using a mini ink blending tool to blend on Firefly ink. We'll peel up the satin masking tape and we'll put stencil number 2 into place. Only 2 stencils for layering this month, and we will use Shadow Creek on the second stencil with a mini ink blending tool. Now there are some delicate areas of the stencil which got a little bit away from me here, and it shows at the end where I got some color underneath the stencil because I didn't hold those places in time when I was blending. So make sure to hold those delicate areas when you're blending so you don't have those areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you with any questions you had about layering. Coming up, we're going to have some inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit Arched Foliage or any other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.